Welcome back to the channel. You guys saw the thumbnail. Today I am trying out the very popular TikTok DIY haircut. So if you are interested to see how my hair comes out, keep watching. Okay, so you guys, I have never cut my hair before on my own. Like y'all know, I've done a couple of trim videos which were like pretty much nothing. So today I am actually going to be cutting off some hair because I want layers. I just don't like the shape of my hair right now. I honestly don't know how this is going to come out looking because I've watched a few of these DIY cuts, this unicorn cut. I've watched a couple of TikToks. I've watched a couple of videos on YouTube, and I'm just excited. I feel like I can achieve this. I can do this. I'm a little nervous. I'm a little excited. I'm a lot excited because I really want layers. I will show you guys the last time I had a professional cut, and she actually didn't cut my hair. I don't feel like it was like into layers, but it was really good cut. So I will insert a picture right there. So yes, that's the last time I cut my hair. As you guys know, that I do have a large section in the back of my head that is type 2, like maybe like a 2C or 2. It's very, very loose. It's completely different texture. It's very, very silky, and it barely curls. Like it barely curls. It's very frustrating that I only have that one piece in the back that's like that, because the rest of my hair is more on the type 3C and 4A type. So with that being said, I'm not going to be sad that I'm going to lose it, although I know that's like probably like the longest part of my hair. So I was a couple of inches away from waist length, but I'm not going to be there anymore. I might have been like actually an inch away from waist length, and it's okay because this year I really haven't even been taking care of my hair like I was last year, so that'll just give me motivation to make sure that I make it to waist length by the end of this year. So I'm still on our hair growth journey, but I haven't been really doing anything. So if you guys want to join me and motivate me, comment and let me know that you're also trying to grow your hair to a certain length, whatever length that may be. And yeah, and we can work at it together. I did already blow dry my hair yesterday, so it's all blown out, and I'm going to I should put my hair like this one day. I don't know. Y'all, I'm nervous. Okay, let me get this hair on top of my head, and we about to get started. For real this time. I'm literally sweating trying to get my hair slicked and smooth. So, a couple things. You're supposed to put a scrunchie, well, once you get this hair all smooth, to tie a scrunchie at the base. I'll call this the base, I guess. Yeah. I don't know. That's what we're going to call it. 3 times. Okay. Maybe I shouldn't have done it at that pool. Okay. This look crazy as all get out. Now I'm so nervous. Like, how much hair do I want to actually cut off? Because I guess where it's kind of like see-through, so this much makes sense to me. So I'm gonna put another scrunchie on here. Tie one more time. Hope I'm doing this right, because this might be too tight. Yeah, that's too tight. Okay, so 2 times. Hey, it's nice to be in love. What y'all think? I'm asking y'all, like I can get y'all opinion right now. Okay, y'all, I think that's a lot of hair. So I don't want to cut this much. That's a whole lot of hair, but I still want to cut off a decent amount. What y'all think? Think that's cool? I guess I just need to go for it. It's just hair, you know? Just hair. The only thing is that the reason why I'm concerned about this month, because like I'm gonna take hair out and I'm gonna do it again like 2 more times. So Okay, but we're just gonna do this. Okay. It's thin anyways. I can't see. Goodness, the puff is in the way. Like, I literally can't see. Because the puff is like puffing. So. See, it's super see-through, so it needed to be cut. One down, two more to go. So this section is just from behind my ear. So we're gonna do this again. And now we're gonna cut off some more hair. But it is just hair. I have to keep reminding myself and telling myself that it's just hair. Okay. I promise y'all, these are gonna be some weak ass layers because I'm barely cutting off anything. And I mean barely, like barely cutting off anything, but okay. Y'all think this is good? I think that's good, right? It's good enough to have like a noticeable difference. Well, if it ain't, and I messed this up and my hair looks terrible, then I don't know. Hope it's like not, yeah, maybe a little less. I don't know because I just don't want it to look crazy. Like maybe that hair is too long for where the layer is. I don't know. And then my hair, I don't know. I just don't know. Because my hair, like everybody's hair is different when it comes to like how your hair reacts to different products. So that will determine like how the weight of the product will determine if your hair is like heavy. I don't know. So now I'm overthinking it, but I'm just gonna cut this and be done. Cause there's no going back. There's no going back. Beautiful hair, like, and then the cut's so janky. Look at it. Look how I cut it. Like, that's not good at all. Like, that's not gonna be even. This is gonna be a piece of shit. Oh Lord Jesus. Okay, let me see y'all how it's looking. Because I think I cut too much. Jesus. On to the very last layer. For this last section, I was just only going to do the crown. And y'all can see this part is terrible. But I just did it from like, oh, well. I was going to say I did it from in front of my ear. But this kind of looks like it's behind my ear. But on that side. So who knows what this is going to look like. Yeah, I was going to originally do just the crown area. And then I thought to myself, and I'm like, I don't really want like bangs. I don't know. I don't think I do. But maybe I'm messing up and maybe I should have just done the crown. But it is what it is. This process is pretty easy. So I guess it just all, now the deciding factor is going to be if my hair actually like looks good with this DIY cut, unprofessional haircut, because this is so unprofessional. Okay, y'all, as y'all can see, I don't want to cut much hair at all. Not surprising, right? I don't think it's gonna make much of a difference because I've been only cutting about an inch of hair in each section. So me just thinking like, is this really gonna like make a huge difference? But I think it's gonna look a lot better than what it was looking like. At least I hope so, because then this will be a complete waste if it looks just as bad as it did before. Now let's see what it looks like. Okay. Yeah, this is still looking crazy. It don't even look good. It doesn't even look good blown out. So, well, this side don't look too bad. I can tell there's some volume going on. Really, I just want to create volume because my hair is so fine and thin. So that might be looking like something. But this side, Okay, it might be something going on over here too, because I see a little bit of short and then it gets longer. Okay, y'all, so parts looking all crazy, but I am getting ready to do my hair. I'm gonna actually do a wash and go, because I feel like that's the best way to show y'all, like, see what it really looks like, because I'm not about to wear my hair like this. I will be back with product on my hair. I'm going to do a wash and go, and then I will let you guys know my final thoughts, if this was a success or if this was a fail. What do y'all think? Let me know. All right, y'all, what do you think? What do I think? What do you think? I'm not mad at it, but I still feel like I need to do some cutting, because like my pieces that are type 2, yeah, like this. Let me see. Y'all can see like how it's still kind of like hanging low. I mean, I did a lot of fluffing to get it like this, but first of all, my hair is super soft. That's the first thing. Like, it feels amazing. I feel like I cut off a lot, even though I guess I really didn't cut off a lot, but it does feel like my hair is not as long as it was. But it's like, see, things like this, like that needs to get its life. I am going to go ahead and play with it a little bit more. I feel like this hair, this side looks better than this side. I don't really see any layers at all on this side. I just have hair, and yeah, this side looks bad. Like, I don't know, y'all. Like, take all the hair and pull it forward. Then I got my long pieces, which I guess is okay to hang right here, because if I pull all my hair forward, but see, that's hanging too low. So some of this needs to be cut. Like, I don't know, because it just, I don't know. And I'm gonna get scissor happy, and I'm just gonna cut off all my hair, and I'm trying not to do that, but because it just doesn't curl like I need it to. Overall, I think this was a great way to DIY cut your hair if you don't, one, want to go to a stylist to get it cut, and then two, if you just want a little quick haircut, quick boost. I don't even know what you really want to call it, but it's giving me something. It's not giving what I wanted to give, what I would have liked it to give, but it is what it is. I tried it out. I definitely would recommend you to give it a try, even though, like, obviously it's a lot of trends going on, but this one actually, I feel like it's promising. I can't stop playing with my hair. It's all bouncy, and yeah. So let me know in the comments if you guys would try the unicorn cut. If you have tried it before, also if I did something wrong, let me know what I did do wrong, because I probably will be doing this again, because I don't know when the next time I'll actually go ahead and get my hair professionally cut. But that's all I got for you. So as always, I'm a little different, and different is love. See you in the next one.